everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Khushbu. So as you all know, I decided to give away GFG Google test series to 10 lucky winners, and to participate in that you just had to subscribe to the channel and comment on that video. I got a lot of responses, comments and DMs too. There are more than 70 comments and all were so heartwarming and energetic. I have personally read all the comments and I was really humbled after reading all the comments, and I got a lot of new suggestions, ideas and feedbacks about my previous videos. So I have got some new ideas that what I want to do next, but the thing is it was really difficult to choose top 10 comments. So I was like, let's take the help of technology. So we went on Google and searched how we can make a random comment picker. So I knew I can do that easily with Python. So we just wanted to have comments. So I got to know about this YouTube API with which you can get comment list. We will talk about the technicalities later, and let this Khushbu do the work. So until she's done with her coding and stuff, let me tell you about an amazing event that I got to know about yesterday. It is a great opportunity for all of you. So Geek for Geeks is organizing this event from 19th October to 25th October. That is called Geek Week, in which you can get a lot of free swags, free courses, competitions, ideathons, a lot of fun stuff. So you can participate in each and everything. There are job hirings and a lot of stuff are going on. All the events are free. You can easily participate in them, gain experience, get certificates, get swags and maybe get free courses. They have not asked me to say this, but I really wanted to tell you all, and it's up to you. You can do whatever you want. So yeah, and now about the results. These are all the lucky winners. So heartiest congratulations to all of you. You just have to mail me on this email with the subject giveaway winners, and on the same time you need to reply to the pinned comment in the comment box so that I know that it is you. Okay, and yeah, then you can get your free courses. And for all the other people, there is something for you all too. If you use my code Khushbu15, you can get 10% off if you wish to buy this course. So you can always save your 10%. And yeah, thanks a lot for being with me in this journey of mine. And wait a minute, do you like the intro of the video? I was really getting motivated by all the videos that Herman Bhaiya, Ajay Bhaiya are putting up. So I was like, I should try something new too. So this is what I came up with. Do let me know if you like that or not. And I'm going to see you all super soon. Goodbye.